Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm back at Cypress Mountain and this time we're heading up the Sky Chair. This lift takes us higher up the mountain with some incredible views along the way. I'll be riding one of the easier runs from the top, perfect for a smooth, relaxing cruise while taking in the scenery. Let's jump on the Sky Chair and see what it's like.
I'm going to take this corner and you take, you know what I'm saying? All right, thanks. You know, I dig skiers too. Because I got a sorry. I don't know. Oh, together, right? Oh,
Oh no, I just crossed my skis. For a second, I thought I was definitely going down. That sudden panic hits you instantly, but somehow I recovered right at the last moment. That was way too close.
Okay. Perfect.
As the chair lifts off, everything starts to slow down a bit. The noise fades, and it's just you, the mountain, and the view getting bigger with every second. I still remember the first time I came up here. I was honestly a little nervous. Looking down from the chair, the runs seemed way steeper than they actually were. You start questioning yourself, am I ready for this? But that's kind of what skiing is about. Every ride up gives you another chance to try again, to push a little further, or just to enjoy the moment. And up here, it's not just about the run, it's about this feeling. The quiet, the cold air, and that small bit of excitement building before the ride down.
I always go there. So scary. It works. Move over.
All right, we're almost at the top. Be ready for this. The unload ramp is actually pretty steep, so keep your skis straight and don't hesitate when you get off. All right, ready to go. And honestly, if you've been thinking about skiing, just come try it. You don't have to be perfect. Just start, enjoy the ride, and have fun with it.
Oh, come on.
just like that, another run done. It's moments like these that remind you why you come up here, not just for the skiing, but for the feeling. If you enjoyed this ride, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more POV skiing and adventures around Vancouver. And if you've ever thought about skiing, take this as your sign. Come experience it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.